Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to migrate your website from cPanel to Centos-webpanel. Again, these instructions are for moving one website. If you have several websites on cPanel that you want to move at once, the procedure is different than the one I'm showing you. I'm showing you the directions for moving one website from cPanel to Centos-webpanel, and I'm moving it to a new server with a new IP address. First step, log into cPanel. Go to the search box and type backup. Download and store your website and backup. Let's check this one out. See full backup. Download the Find Account backup. This will download everything for your website. Once again, I'm moving just one website. You can do partial backups, but I want a full backup. It will back up everything, including your MySQL database. I already did it, so I'm not gonna click it. You click it. And at the end, there's a box that you can check for email notification and let you know when it's finished. Let me click it. When you click it, you see I have several backups already. Be careful, because these backups can take up a lot of space on your server, depending on the size of your website. I did a backup yesterday, this one. This is the one I'm going to use to move to my new server. Now, after you generate a backup, when you generate a backup, you will go down here. Generate backup. Check this, but don't check this box. This way it will send you email notification when the backup is done. It can take a long time depending on the size of your website. When you get notification that it's done, it'll appear on this list. Now, the next step, you need to move the backup file to the public HTML folder. Up here, you go to File Manager, enter, right here. And you're going to search for your backup file. They're easy to spell because they're big. There you go, it's in the root directory, it's right here. actually it's in your home directory. Your home and your username directory. It's right here. This is the one I did it yesterday. It says yesterday. It's 21 gigabytes. You want to take that and either copy it or move it. I'm going to copy it, move it into the public HTML file folder. Copy file. You can go to your public HTML folder to confirm whether it's there. And there you see it. Today, backup. Now that you have it in your public HTML folder, you can download it to your Centos-webpanel. Okay, the next step is you use an SSH client to log into your new website. You use a root password. Now you're into your new server, which is using the Centos webpanel. Change the directory to CD, change the directory to /home. Now you're in the home directory. You're going to use the migrate command to download the backup file from cPanel. Use migrate. Yesterday I took the backup file and I renamed it to a shorter file name to make it easier. And renamed it backup.tar.gz. It makes it easier for me to download. We get HTTP, the address of your website where the backup file is located. Once again, I renamed it to backup.tar.gz. So we get then the address where the backup file is located on your own server. Enter. Success because it's downloading the file. Now this is going to take a while depending on the size of your website. You have to be patient. So let me summarize the steps. Go to cPanel. Go to the search box. Type in backup. Do a full backup. Wait till the backup is done. They'll notify you by email. Come back. Find the backup in your home directory. copy or move it to your public HTML directory. Make note of the address. Go into SSH client. SSH into your new server using your root password and user root. Change the directory in your new server to the home directory. Use the reget command and the address of where you put the backup file on your old server in the public HTML directory. So then you do reget HTTP your website and the backup file / backup file name. Enter. And it will download all of your backup files to your new server. See, mine is at 35%. If you have a huge website, it can take a long time. But when it's done, your complete backup will be moved over to your new server. I'm going to pause the file until the backup files finish downloading. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, it's still downloading the files in the old server. Do not change your DNS settings from your old server to your new server until the very end. You won't be able to download the files if you change the DNS settings for your old server first. You change the DNS settings at the end after you download all the files from your old server. That's very important. Okay, it's completed downloading. Let me pause for a second. Okay, now that I've finished downloading all the files from cPanel to my new server using Centos-webpanel, I can close my SSH client and take you to the next step. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Files from your old server to your new server, there's one final step. Go to your Centos-webpanel at your new server. Its IP address, colon 2031. Log in with your root name with the root login as user root and your root password. On the left menu, scroll down to user accounts. Click it and you scroll down to where you see cPanel CWP migration. Click on that. Scroll down I clicked on the one option. Go back to the left menu. See final account restore. Click that. Okay, this is the option. Account migration from cPanel. Now over here it says account report. If you click this, you should see the backup file you downloaded from your old server. If you don't see it, that means you didn't download it to your public HTML home directory. If you did, it should appear here. Mine is here, backup try.tz. Package, choose package default. And over here you see domains, subdomains, databases, directory, public, HTML, mail, alias, scroll tab. Everything is set. I want to import everything. So after you choose the file, here will show up here in the drop-down window. Click the default package. Click import. Now your website is being moved to your new server. It says this will take some time. While you wait for the files to be installed in your new server, the final step is to change the DNS settings for your website. So go to where you have set up the DNS for your website. In my case, my domain is hosted at GoDaddy. So I go to GoDaddy and change the A record for the domain name to the new IP address. And you see I'm at the GoDaddy website. These are the DNS settings for my website. You change the main A record. The I symbol is your domain name. You change the IP address to your new IP address. I already did that. And you can do the same for the host name. Server.yoursite.com. You can set up a record for that as well, using your new IP address. Once you do that, you wait for the changes to go through. When it's done, your website should be working at your new server. You probably have to wait a couple of hours for the DNS to go completely through. But if you did everything right, your website at cPanel should now have been moved to your new server using the Centos-webpanel. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more internet related videos.